Alright, welcome to a Friday chart clinic for week ending ending 17th of August 2012. Before that, I'd like to wish a Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri to all our Muslim friends. And for those of you already back at your kampong, so that's good, enjoy it. For those who are thinking to drive over the long weekends, with the traffic is. And I was caught on yesterday traffic jam. Was really bad, well, some people can see me, some people can't see me. So, okay, can only see my spreadsheet. Okay, let me see. What can you see now? You should be able to see my screen. Let me just stop this and play it one more time. See what you get. Okay. Okay, you should be able to see my spreadsheet. That's correct. That's correct. Yeah. All right. So where were I? Yes, I was talking about the Hari Raya thing and was caught on a really bad jam. It took even Bill 3 hours to get home, which normally takes about 25 minutes. Right, and this is the effect of traffic jam in here. Okay, let's go on to our normal program. I want to proceed. It's 11:30 now. What I want to now the agenda today for our Friday chart clinic, and this was sent over by one of our premium subscriber, and she did ask me is do I need a trading plan? Okay, someone just put that. Now I can see you. Okay, good. Not man, you can see me. Do I need a trading plan? Okay, let me just see. Do I need a trading plan here? And the second one is gotta do more. Question was more of outlook of what to come. I will cover that a bit. It's got to do with a bit of the economics now. I hope I don't bore you with the bit of economics, but we do need to know what's happening in the global side of the market in respect of global recovery. Here, the keywords is the global recovery, getting it right. And I was interviewed 2 weeks ago in Capital TV on the 6 o'clock segment, and we were talking about the same setting too. What's going to happen to the euro and how it's going to be affecting all, and what sector to buy. So those are the very similar thing, but perhaps I can just touch on that, and then eventually we will go on to DG, some of the stocks in here. TM dropped a lot. Comment to that. Yes, I will comment on that one. TM dropped a lot on that one. And that's simple. They missed their target, David. Okay, you got alarm. Okay, I got more than I can chew actually. A lot of you guys already been sending to me. So if you want me to address it, send to me much earlier and don't wait till the last minute, because I can't cover too many anyway. I'll try to cover about 4 or 5 of them. Those who send me early, I will cover them. So it's sort of like, first come first basis, yeah? Okay, I'll just put a note of them. Shang, okay, YTL, the usual shares that you have, KNM, TDM. I'll take a look at that one. Okay, first one that with overhead crisis. Now, just want to draw your attention why you actually need in trading bank. Now, trading bank, we cover them extensively in our main course that we will do on October 20, 21st, and 23rd. For those of you who have never been to our main course, I suggest you should. I recommend to you to come, and we do cover a lot of things that we actually talk about. And one of the things that I did this Friday chart clinic was actually to support our graduates, which have been with me for the 4 or 5 years. Some of you has been with us for a long time, right? And this is a way to reach out, because we got graduate all over Malaysia, Sabah, Sarawak, Penang, Johor, Singapore too. So one of the Friday chart clinics actually support you, and also along the same line, we decided to extend this service to all our like subscribers, which happen to be free too. So that's a good course. We actually built myself and put up over the years on Master the Market main course, which actually benefit a lot of people, and it helped a lot of fund managers to really improve the performance, as well as a broker and a remiser, as well as retail investor and trader who's starting off. And this is a real cost, a real deal, and it's a good investment. It's just like really reading how about, but more on the benefits of a trading plan. Now, one of the things we do in trading plan is that the benefits of it, because a lot of the time you already pre-plan how much money you could be investing in here. That's what we call money management. All right, we'll cover that more in the main course, but just want to touch on a few things in here that we have. We won't have time so much, but what is very important is actually the decision, what to buy, what price to exit. Those need to be made ahead of time. Do I say this makes sense, people? trading plan? Just tell me yes or no. I'd like to hear your feedback. You can actually read ahead, right? Component of a trading plan. That's why I say this makes sense. Why should you have a trading plan? Okay, good. Now, how many actually trade with a trading plan? Tell me, okay? How many actually trade with a trading plan? Or if you're like most average buyer, you buy what your friends buy or what your coffee mate, in the sense like your friends who drinks coffee with you buys, right? Just like property. Or what we call herd mentality. You saw someone bought it. If you have bought it, it must be good. How many actually use a trading plans? Right? Just reply me. How many actually use a trading plan? Okay. It'd be great to know how many of you actually use trading plans. Okay. Good. I do. Good. A couple of people do. Okay. Now, for those of you who have not started using it, oh, good, we got a few more coming in. Well, good. Anyone have a trading plan? Now, this is important too. Let me just go on to a guideline here. It's because guidelines are established in the calm of non-market hours. Okay, it also reduce stress, and this is the only way you can follow up, because a lot of time, people who do get in at a certain price and they let the profit run, and then I get a lot of calls. Should I take profit or should I let the profit run? That's what I always say. Look at your trading plan. Because as long as you can detail your goals, and that's the only way to measure. Right? Do I want to say this makes sense? Right, of course, there are a lot of things here we want to cover, but specifically, I don't want to do that because this is more of sort of like an insight to what actually we teach you or what we educate our graduates or those of you who are really interested to come our main course on October 21st to 23rd. This is some of the things that we do cover, and I'd like to talk about them too. Okay. Okay, make a lot of sense. A good revision. All right, good. Okay. Now, other things that we also in the trading plan, which is not exhaustive, okay? You can add in some of your own one, but we do look at it is here, right? Let me just get my pen up. Is my sound okay? Can you hear me well? Right? Can you hear me well, guys? Okay? Good. Okay. Now in here is also just if you can't hear me, just send me a reply, okay? Else I'll just proceed to talk. Now, how much money will be used? Okay, good. We got some money in here. Okay, loud and clear. Good. That's good. Okay. And how much is the account? What kind of style? Now, very important. You must differentiate between trading and investing. A lot of time, there's a saying, investment is what short-term investment turn long-term. You heard that one before, right? They were supposed to, cut loss. They did not. They say, hey, let's put this as a long-term. So be very, very clear about those things. Okay, right? TDM, we'll talk about TDM, that one. Right? And also market biases. How extent you use market biases, because 65% of losses actually come. Now this actually comes from not able to cut losses. Okay, right? And also what are your biases? I believe these biases I did cover on the YouTube. I think you can watch on the YouTube. My YouTube educational marketing. Let me just go on and show you what I mean here. You can actually watch it for those of you who don't watch. No, YouTube, on my W Wealth website. I believe I do have this. Okay, and under educational, you can watch my latest. Every 2 weeks, I'll put up a video regarding how to educate the people. You can actually watch the YouTube in here. How to invest like a Warren Buffett. Oh no, sorry, I have not posted it yet, but I did send you a reply. How the top 4 investing rules. I believe I do have it here somewhere. But I'll send it to. I will post it up because it's been very busy for that one. So look out for the mail that I've sent out. I believe on Wednesday. The top 4 investing rule for 2012. Okay, so look at that one, and you should be fine. There are some hints how you should go into it. Let me just get back to here. Also, list your strength and weaknesses. This is very important. What are your strengths? Are you able to become in the face of when market sell off? Okay, now that's very important, because like in life, we always must have a very strong belief system that we will do well. Now, if this also extend from what you are, because a lot of the time, like it or not, what you are actually get reflected in the stock market. Would you all agree that what you are and who you are if you are a very timid person, a very risk aversive person, that's going to be tough, to be investing in the stock market. Do you all agree that? Because the stock market really, bring the character out from you. Do you all agree on that statement? Yes or no? Okay. Do you all? Yeah. Okay, good. We got some reply coming in. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Good. Good. We got some yes. Right. That's right. Because what you are is so rather than using the stock market as a way to test your character, I always advise people, get your belief system correct, and how you believe how the world, forms an opinion. There's a lot of saying, we tend to view the world through our own set of lenses. Okay, we tend to view the world with our own set of lenses, with our own biases and our own perception. And a lot of these perceptions are wrong. That is why it is so difficult people to make money. And the other day, funny enough, I got a reply from someone, because you do know that. Oh, by the way, on a final note, for those of you who is still interested to come to Gavin's seminar, which is on the September 2021st, right? I did talk to him and I told him, look, those who are really interested, please send me an email, and I'll still extend the discount, the same discount that you'll be getting at $9.99. Okay, but please do it today. Okay, those of you who wish to come, because the I believe it's already over, because after this the price, let me just get back to here again, it'll be 1,200 US dollar or 1,500 US dollar, I can't remember, but I told Gavin that those of you who have contacted me and wanted that price to extend, I will do that for you, but please send an email to me. I'm not going to be sending it out. If you really want to come, oh yes, 1,005, there you go. Can you see the screen now? Okay, the 1,005 here. Okay, oh, I can't see the yellow one. Am I right? Let's try the pink one. Yep, the 1,005, and this the already expired. So if you're really interested, send me this one. I'll tell Gavin, and what they do, they'll send you a PayPal link, and you just pay the $9.95, and you'll be registered for the Singapore, and also for those of you in JB, I hope to see you in Singapore. For those of you in KL, come over to KL website. So that's, but please do it this week, yeah. Don't do it until September, and it will be quite unfair for those people, those who are thinking on that administration. Okay, good. Right. The other one, so that's something I like to do for our graduate over here, and as well as our retail like subscriber. And let's go back to our in here. The other things I want to touch on is also stop loss. How much kind of risk you want to do per trade. Now that's important. You must be able to do that. In judgment, you can use a percentage, or you can use a stop loss based on support and resistance. Those kind of things we actually teach you in our main course. So those of you who wish to come also on our main course, okay, and also share sizing, what we call position sizing. So those are the whole component. Now this document that we have, it's a very lengthy document, but I just don't want to touch on. That's like a couple of pages in there. But what I did was just to give you, the gist of the thing, so you're able to hold on and move on to the next level. Okay, we're already up to 15 minutes now. I want to go to the next. Any questions so far about the trading plan? Okay, else I'll move the second part of the what we're going to talk about today. Okay, now the second part I'm going to talk about is the global crisis. Now this is quite interesting. It really tests on the economics of things and looking at the viewpoint of what's happening in there. Now remember, those of you who have not read my August, let me get back to my page here. Read my August stock market comment, what I've talked about in here. So far I've been quite okay, I believe, quite spot on how I look at things. And a reason why, because you cannot invest in the market without knowing the fundamental. Technical wise, we do well with volume spread analysis. Now if you have volume spread analysis and you have fundamental, you do much better than a lot of the fund managers out there, as well as unit trust. And there's one guy I just share with you. Now you know that I'll be actually in Capital TV in here. There's another Dato that actually co-hosts with me on every Tuesday morning, and he shared a lot of insight about how the market works and how the corporate work. Perhaps one day I'll just probably do some of those things that I learned from this guy and share with you on in here. But catch me on the Morning Bell on channel 127 in here, and Tuesday you'll see this Dato Nick Nick Viola, that's right, that's his name. He's really insightful. He used to, hired by Rashid Hussain, he's already retired and he's really insightful. Now back to your question about what we are seeing here. It's just the focus has been on the Eurozone as well as what's happening in US. Okay, now let's get back to this question here. What I talk about, right? Okay, now there seems to be some error here. No, sorry, network slows. Okay, let's give this a break. Can you still hear me? Let's see where's I. Okay, good. Okay, can you still hear me? Yes, you can, right? Good, good. Okay. Now my screen then seems to be hang here. Wondering what's wrong. Okay, good, good, good. All right. Let's just get that. Okay, let me try one more time again. Okay, it's not refreshing that well. Okay.